tonight we're carving pumpkins. Wanted to see if we can keep the stuff inside and cook it to make pumpkin pie. But I am gonna take the seeds out and we're gonna bake these. All right, let's test it out. So, let's go cook some pumpkin pie. All right, then what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this and break it into more manageable pieces. Put it into a glass baking dish, and we're going to lightly salt it and put this at 400 degrees Fahrenheit in our oven for right around 30 to 40 minutes. And don't get rid of all the pieces that still have some of the stuff on them, because pets really like pumpkins, so all the leftover excess stuff you can still bake and give to your pets too. Then for the pumpkin seeds, what you want to do is get a strainer and put a couple handfuls in there and just rinse them around. When we go to throw the pumpkin chunks and everything like that in there, I've taken a mixture of vegetable oil, salt, pepper, and garlic powder and put it in a bowl. And these are some of the washed and rinsed and kind of dry seeds. Just going to put them right into that mix there, mix them all up. And we're going to put them on this baking sheet here. And we're going to bake them at 400 degrees for about 10 to 15, maybe even 20 minutes. Woo! Those are hot. That is so good. I'm going to take and spoon this into the blender. And as we spoon it, we're also going to layer this a little bit with a cup of brown sugar packed, half teaspoon cinnamon, a half teaspoon of salt. I'm going to add some of that in there. And then I've got a can of evaporated milk I'm going to add in here too. As I do this, that way it doesn't get so bound up. We're also going to put 2 eggs. Alright, let's make the crust. So we've got 1 1/3 cup of flour here. Got a half a cup of margarine or butter. We've got some water. We've got a rolling pin. Alright, we're going to add water, 1 tablespoon at a time. You want to preheat your oven for 400 degrees. Bake this for anywhere between 30 and 40 minutes. And the last thing to do That's super good. Thanks for watching.